Who is there? Come in. Enobo, I've been trying to call you.
Don't worry, I don't come already. I don't feel sleep. I don't think. I beg you, so I don't come out.
Oh, and take.
Where the thing, they waiting the right resort.
You don't need to worry. You're positive. But this is not the end of the road, okay? It's not the end of the wall.
No, doctor, hold on, check another one.
No, that's.
It's not my resort now. I cannot be positive now. Doctor, I know they knock like that.
It's
I know they knock like that
not
now.
about being knocked. She can get it through needles and all the rest of it.
No, I don't tell injection. I tablet and they do. I cannot be HIV positive now. How would they live my life?
This is not the end of the world. There are a lot of people living with it. They have families.
Okay, no, they do doctor again. If you have motivational speaker, I want to motivate me. Doctor, my life has ended here now.
No, your life can never end. Okay?
How?
You still have more life to live. Just come get your drugs, okay? Move on with your life, eh?
I cannot move on.
You will move on.
The stigmatization, the reaction. If my family know, they don't pursue me. My colleagues know, they don't pursue me. My friends, they go neglect me. People for church, they go downgrade me. Oh. How would they live my life? My life don't scatter. Doctor, this result not my own.
It's your own.
I don't go take drug. I go do fasting and prayer. I cannot be positive now. No, we don't get HIV for my family. I cannot be the first person.
You don't have to be the first person, eh? Sorry.
I don't suffer, no be small. It come be time to end. I don't enjoy me, don't kill me now. I think go carry HIV. People don't knock. It's still my free. Knock. She no get. My own way, I use the rule. I use the cement. Our guru, nah, don't come carry disease. No be disease, na virus. God, please, if you come on this virus for my body, I will not fornicate again. I will not fornicate.
Where's the money?
Which money? I don't get money.
I will slap your future.
Don't touch me. What's fine? I rebuke
you. You are a woman.
I will run this.
I will run this. I rebuke
you. Flog him, Papa. Flog him live. Flog him there.
Leave me alone.
Hey, come. Hey, wait till your name.
We go send you. What's happened?
Thunder, one fire your children, Papa. No bomb. My guy, peel out.
Come on for me.
You get HIV. You carry. Like I said, if you go carry person carry. If not, be say I go there to find this thing. So if you go carry, come go spread and our normal two they share together. HIV now. HIV see now. That's the worry you see now. What they peel out? What they go guy go peel out?
This girl for taking me.
No, come and rape me.
HIV.
Keep your HIV for yourself.
Hey, they don't ask him no be this HIV, this the refra. For don't rape me. They for don't come give me another disease. Now give me gonorrhea, coccinea, and staphylococcus. God, thank you for giving me this HIV. Thank you for my HIV positive. I would have been rape positive. Hey, you no go leave this house. Now here you go there. Now who they call me now? Now who they call me? Where my phone? Thank God. I don't see my phone. Doctor, waiting happen. You won't tell me say I don't get another one? I don't get coronavirus? Hello, doctor. Are you fine? How far now? Huh? I know they're positive. Negative. What thing that one mean? I don't get HIV. Well, when you come carry the result, give me another person. I will know say na mistake now you make. Cause I know they act like that. Doctor, bye. This one narrow blessing name be so. God, thank you. In everything that happened to you in this world, give thanks to the Lord because He knows everything. I'm a negative somebody. Che.